The neurodegenerative diseases with iron accumulation are the neurodegenerative diseases with brain iron accumulation. The neurodegenerative diseases with brain iron accumulation. That is neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation. Neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation. The neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation is the inherited disorder of the iron accumulation in the basal ganglia. It is inherited disorder, inherited disorders with iron accumulation, accumulation at the basal ganglia, ganglia. Due to these neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation, due to this disorder, the symptoms develop due to brain accumulation. The symptom is Parkinsonism, dystonia, neuropsychiatric problem, and retinal degeneration. The retinal degeneration. The neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation is usually present in childhood. The neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation is genetic disorder. That is genetic disorders. So the gene involved for neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation, genes involved. There are many genes involved for the accumulation of iron. If I write all the genes, then we will be confused. But the most common gene involved for the neurodegenerative disease with brain iron accumulation is PANK2. PANK2 are the most common gene involved. Is PANK2 gene. When the neurodegenerative disease with brain iron accumulation occur in the early childhood, there will be dystonia, and there will be the Parkinson disease, PD, Parkinson disease, and spasticity. What will we see on the MRI? On the MRI, we see the low signal abnormalities in the center of globus pallidus on T12 weighted MRI scan. We see the low signal abnormalities in the center of globus pallidus. Low signal abnormalities in the center of globus pallidus. Signal abnormalities in the center of the globus pallidus on MRI. And which MRI? T12 MRI. Under T12 MRI, we see the low signal abnormalities in the center of the globus pallidus. Because these low signal abnormalities seen in the T12 MRI in the center of the globus pallidus due to the iron accumulation. And this iron accumulation on the T12 MRI seen, this is called eye of tiger. That we will see the eye of tiger. There is a signal abnormalities in the center of globus pallidus on the T12 MRI due to iron accumulation. This iron accumulation in see like the eye of a tiger. So there is the eye of a tiger sign in the T12 MRI when there is the neurodegenerative brain iron accumulation. Note the one, that is, all the cases with iron accumulation in the basal ganglia not represent the neural accumulation of brain iron. Not all iron accumulation, not all iron accumulation in the basal ganglia represent the neurodegenerative disease with brain iron accumulation. Not all the iron accumulations in the basal ganglia represent the neural disease with brain iron accumulation. Not all cases. There may be other neurodegenerative disorder, other neurodegenerative disorder. There may be other neurodegenerative disorder. Not all cases can confirm in the iron accumulation in the basal ganglia. That is neurodegenerative disease with brain iron accumulation, but not all cases in the basal ganglia the iron accumulation is due to this disease. Not all cases this causes. So this was the iron accumulation in the basal ganglia. The symptom of Parkinsonism, dystonia, neuropsychotic problem, retinal degeneration, and the eye of tiger sign is seen on the T2 weighted MRI.